Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash, and today we're going to sit down and we are going to create this cute little classic, spin on a classic Valentine's Day look. So what I did was, my classic Valentine's Day look would be like a black wing liner, really just like simple shadow, and then a bold red lip. But instead of doing a black liner, I did a red liner, and I actually did it the same color as my lips. So it's like a monochromatic look. I put on red blush. So it's just like really flushed, no bronzer, nothing like that. So this is gonna be good for anybody that has like a fair skin tone, and you're just gonna look really dewy, really rosy, red Valentine's. So if you're curious to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. It is gonna be a voiceover because I did not talk through it today. I totally forgot. Sorry. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button if you do enjoy this video. I do post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel. So, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alright, so since we already have my face makeup done, I'm going to jump right into the eyes. And I'm going in with the Pure Soiree Diaries. And I'm going right into the shade Mongol to set my lid, just to brighten everything up on the lid. And then jumping right into the shade Splurge to throw that into my crease, upper crease, and outer V area, just to define the lid a little bit more. To finish off the eye look, I'm going into the shade Mongol again, and I'm just putting that into my inner corners just to brighten the inner eye. And then just taking a clean blending brush and blending everything out to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. And that's the eyeshadow, you guys. Onto the liner. I'm actually going into a liquid lip today for my liner because I wanted a red line for Valentine's Day. So this is the Dirty Little Secret matte lipstick in the shade Phantom, and I'm just going in with a liner brush just to create my wing with that shade. So for lashes today, I'm just going to go ahead and give them a quick curl, and then going in with my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced to coat my lashes before I go in with the falsies. For my lashes, I went into my Cosmic Beauty lashes, and this is just in the style Venus. If you're curious to give these a try, I will put the discount code down below for you guys as long as it's a website, and you can get 20% off on already cheap lashes. To brighten up my waterline, I'm going into the NYX Wonder Pencil, and this is in the shade WP01 Light, and I'm just using that to brighten up my eye look a little bit more, and then just applying the mascara as well to my bottom lashes. Because we are keeping this look a very red monochromatic look, I'm going in with the NYX High Definition Blush in the shade Crimson. And yes, it is very pigmented, so what I actually did after I put it on is I went in with a little bit of my loose finishing powder, and I just kind of toned it down a little bit, covered it up so it wasn't so intense. But I did want to keep the red cheeks to keep it very monochromatic. Highlight, I'm going into my Glow Kit by Anastasia, and going into the shade Marshmallow and Butterscotch. And I'm using these two shades just on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, a little on my forehead, Cupid's bow, and then on a little bit on my chin. To finish off the look today, I'm going back into the same liner that we used, or I guess liquid lipstick for liner. That is the Dirty Little Secret in Phantom, and just using that so it matches the liner perfectly. It's the same shade, so it's gonna just look all seamless and very monochromatic. Alright guys, so here is the completed makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this spin on the classic Valentine's Day makeup. If you did, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I do post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Also, a reminder that I am doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out in the future. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys.